Are you ready to explore the top GMP inspection apps that ensure product safety and compliance? This video highlights the best tools for streamlining inspections in food, pharma, and other industries. Discover how digital solutions enhance efficiency and readiness. Digital GMP inspection prevents contamination through standardized checks. It enables faster corrective actions by assigning CAPA immediately. Audit readiness is achieved with no last-minute record chasing. Multi-site visibility is enhanced with dashboards showing compliance scores. These features make the inspection process efficient and reliable. eAuditor.app eliminates the need for paper, spreadsheets, and scattered follow-ups. Inspectors use mobile devices to complete checklists and capture photos. Corrective actions are assigned and reports generated in minutes. The app provides multi-location dashboards and audit history tracking. Teams stay ready every day, avoiding last-minute rushes. Master Control is ideal for larger regulated enterprises with strong document control. Qualio offers a user-friendly platform for small and mid-sized life science companies. AssureX connects inspections with deep corrective action management for multi-site organizations. TrackWise Digital supports large companies with complex quality systems. Each app serves different needs and scales effectively. eAuditor.app excels in ease of use and mobile inspections. Master Control is best for regulated enterprises with strong corrective actions. Qualio suits growing life science companies needing moderate corrective actions. AssureX is strong for multi-site teams, while TrackWise Digital fits global enterprises. Choose based on your team's specific needs. A GMP inspection checks facility adherence to safety and quality standards. Inspections are performed by internal teams, regulators, and auditors. Checklists cover hygiene, equipment, and documentation, among others. Inspections are often monthly, quarterly, or before audits. CAPA helps fix and prevent recurring issues. GMP audits protect people, products, and brands, ensuring quality systems. eAuditor.app stands out for its simplicity and focus on action. Mobile inspections catch issues early, and CAPA tracking fixes them fast. Dashboards keep teams ready for any audit. Choose the right app to stay audit-ready every day.